Hi. When a movement background one's existential identity, art becomes a vehicle of social change. I came to being an artist on the path of an aspirational journey. I am Prabhakar Kamble, an artist, curator, and a cultural activist. I live and work in Mumbai, but with a practice that is pan India through my role as a curator and a member activist of Dalit movement. I began exploring what constituted conceptual art. Until then, I had pursued art as a vocation. Once it allowed space for me to express my disdain towards the caste system, the culture of marginalization and hate, I became an artist. My practice involves curatorial projects in equal measure as does my personal art practice. It is informed by kinetic installations, drawings, paintings, and performances. When your visual history is less understood and your social history misunderstood, you collaborate with others from your community, something that then can be described as curating. I respond and represent caste based oppression of the Dalit community, immediate social realities as well as personal and collective histories through Ambedkarite consciousness that emerges from Dalit consciousness. My performances are often complex commentaries on the society marked by symbolic use of material, either found or made, and at times heightened by the representation of a color. My realities arrive from lived experiences, reading the writing of Ambedkar, the Dalit movement, and philosophy. Last year, I had facilitated a large format national residency workshop looking at conceptual art in relation to Ambedkarite philosophy, where I assembled 50 like minded artists at the World Heritage Site of Ajanta Caves. This year, during the lockdown, I invited more than 30 speakers for an online series of talk to speak on aesthetics and practice in conversation with Dalit consciousness. Within the curation, I delve into social realities as an expanded political subject. I recently co curated an online COVID 19 artist fundraiser group show of 60 rural and urban artists across the divide, discussing labor and the Constitution of India, showing how the lockdown had highlighted the precarious nature of immigrants' life as laborers who come from Dalit backgrounds, which is often shared with the artists. But foremost, I am an artist. I combine my abilities as a portrait painter to adorn a public mural project across the state of Maharashtra, where various communities, local artists come and make works that celebrate an alternate visual culture that celebrates Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. His success in defeating the burden of caste, born into discrimination but lives today emancipating continuously 1.3 million people. My performances happen also in villages of India as acts of defiance in solidarity with Dalit manifestation that are akin to the Black Lives Matter, where Dalits have come together and protested the lynching of Dalit youth and rapes that are common in rural India. Portraiture and my style painting comes from a colonial curriculum still practiced at the JJ school. Ambedkar's introduction to art came through portraiture, where he was introduced to his benefactor Shahu, the king of Kolhapur, my hometown in southern Maharashtra, by the court painter Dattoba Dalvi. Shahu was keen on uprooting caste and became Ambedkar's chief benefactor in England. While he studied at the Inner Temple, and Ambedkar always kept a connection to art and his revolution against caste. I continue these ideas in my practice. I have shown at Khoj, Devi Art Foundation, Clark House Initiative, Wheel Vasiliv, and the showroom, but also in state funded galleries, political manifestations, shows organized by artists in rural India. This diversity in understanding a wide context is my strength. Thank you.